Lastly, with auscultation, we would grab our stethoscope, make sure that ear holes are pointing forward so that way you can actually hear the lung sounds. And you would begin examining in the front, and then you would go to the back at the 3 different points on the right side and then the 2 at the left, starting above, and you would have them breathe in and then out deeply, and then you could also check for vibration by having them say 99 and then also checking or 99 at those different sites and checking how each of the sounds occur.